Why is this shit on there like this though? That's crazy. That's crazy. But how the hell I'm supposed to get this shit off here, man? All right, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna. I was gonna say how we, but it ain't no we, it's me. Cause I just know what's gonna happen. I just know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna push it too hard, and it's gonna fly off. And then it's gonna be a whole nother problem. Okay, that works also, I guess. Yeah, so this is the second time I removed it. Like, I don't see any pins bent or removed. I'm gonna pray that it's okay. I'm gonna pray that it's okay, man. That's crazy. All right, we actually need some alcohol. Just let you know how hot this damn shit be getting. To be honest with you, it never went over 75 degrees C. So I'm not sure what that's all about. Almost out of alcohol. And that's why I like AMD. They CPUs is way more durable. You know what I'm saying? Well, the fact that the pins is on the CPU instead of the motherboard, that makes it a hell of a lot easier. I want to use the spread method. That way I get full coverage and full contact, because we're trying to reduce them temperatures and we're trying to reduce power consumption. So that's our goal, and we trying to meet it, goddammit. So whatever little thermal paste we got left, we gonna see what we can do with it. That's all we got left too. So we gotta make this shit count. So let's put this back in the damn motherboard, because we don't need no more fuck shit happening. Man, that was crazy though. Okay. Triangle to triangle. Okay. Get our thermal paste ready. Because like I said, we don't got that much left, so. The way I'm gonna try to do it is, see? We're gonna do an X here. Let's try to spread as much as possible, if possible. I want to maximize the coverage we get, you know what I'm saying? It's not looking too bad. We could use a little bit more. I wish I had like one of those little plastic spatulas, because that's a little better than a credit card. But as long as we get coverage, we good, man, to be honest with you. And I can also use my finger. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good, man. That looks pretty good. I think we got some pretty decent coverage for the most part. Hold this up so y'all can see this shit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can't see none of this. Look damn light. Hold on, let me block it. Bow. Bow. I don't know which one of them is doing it, but look, there we go. Get it out the light. Get out this the one time the light want to be everywhere when I don't want it to be. Ain't that something? Let's go ahead and put this damn CPU cooler on. I don't know, they be tweaking, bro. I don't know what they got going on. They was tweaking bad, man. We need to go ahead and put this up because I don't have that much left. Gotta wipe this off right quick. I forgot that damn quick. I told y'all, bro, y'all not getting the Hey guys, this is me. Nigga, today y'all getting a nigga who got a problem to solve, nigga, today. Here we go, wipe this off, clean this up as best as we can. Y'all can't see it, but y'all know how this shit look, man. Alrighty. Okay, we're gonna put this on here like this, cause it's the only damn way to go. Say that shit like it had any other way to go, right? So I'm trying to line it up before I get it down on the die. Not the damn CPU, I know what I'm talking about. I also opened my my GPU and I re-thermopasted that also, and I didn't record it or nothing, I just did it. That also brought those temps down on that too, because it was hitting over 80C, and I got it down to stay around 60 AC. So that's wonderful on that part. Can't complain about that. Even when it's overclocked, it don't hit 80. Once I switch to 4K, the temps rise a little bit. The GPU still stays around high 60s to low 70s. And the CPU, sometimes it'll go into the 70s, like 75. So it ain't too bad. It just started tweaking out the blue. So I'm trying to see why. Hold on. See, it's tweaking already. It is tweaking already. Okay, there we go. Should've did this the first time. I ran some benchmarks that I'll probably end up posting later, but this was early on when I ran them. I never got to thermal throttling at all, so that's good. I never thermal throttled. Even though I don't have the best cooling right now, like I said, them temps don't really get too high. I never had to worry about that. It's just a problem with the PSU, I believe, and I'm trying to avoid that. But you know, the truth is the truth, man. Like, you can't run from it forever, you know? Okay, we almost got it tight. Okay, this side is all the way down. Yeah, so I like AMD much better as far as the CPUs, because it's way easier to put on. So that works. Okay, got that on. Now, let's get this PC put back together. So here's a better look at the PC. Nothing too major, man. Y'all excuse the mess. I just had to throw it back in here. Here's my Lego GPU stand. You know what I'm saying? And this that fan configuration I was telling y'all about. It don't look the best, but it's keeping it cool. You know what I'm saying? I just mounted these fans like this, as you can see. And y'all already know how these look. I put these fans here on the outside of the bracket instead of the inside, so I can have more space, you know, to do more bootleg stuff. And y'all already know the fans at the top. So these two are intake, these three are intake. The only exhaust I got is these two, which is cool. And for the screen that y'all see me rapping, yeah, I put that bad boy in here and I just use it to monitor temps. If y'all know any free software that looks good, keyword it looks good, that I can put here to monitor my GPU and CPU that's free, y'all let me know, because the other ones you have to pay for them. But yeah, man, these are where the buttons at, so that's why I look all botched and stuff like that. But we getting it together, bro. My first official PC build, and I just been modding it as I've been going. Y'all rocking with that, let me know, man. Y'all, this has been a crazy ass ride, bro. Like, alright, y'all, so this what happened. I thought I fixed the problem with the riser. That didn't work. The shit still was shutting off. So then I was like, you know what? Maybe my RAM is bad. Took my RAM out. So then I was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna bring this RAM back down to 3200 megahertz and everything should be fine, because I remember I told you I went down to 3400 megahertz. So I was like, you know what, let's drop it down. Ran smooth for a little while, and then all of a sudden, bam. And around this time, at this point, I'm gaming at 1440p, so I'm not even at 4K no more, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm like, bruh, I don't know what else it can be. It gotta be that PSU. I can't fix no PSU, I just had to get another one, and I can't get another one right now, you know? Something told me, hey, you overclocked the damn CPU too. Now, before y'all get on me, the reason why that wasn't a problem to me is because I was letting the app do it. So the Gigabyte app was overclocking it, and it measures everything out and stuff like that. Well, I forgot that. I went into the BIOS myself, you know, raised the core, and I also tried to undervolt it. You know what I'm saying? You know, we're gonna do this, undervolt it. I wasn't messing with the right voltage. So it wasn't really getting undervolted, it just was overclocked. And you know, when the app does it itself, it kind of balances everything out and stuff like that. So I ended up looking up videos, and I went on Reddit, and you know, they led me to one link and it led me to another one. I ended up coming across this video, and it was telling me about undervolting specifically the AMD, and I learned a lot from it. But the main thing was I learned I had something on that motherboard called Precision Boost Overdrive or something like that, and I was like, ain't no way I got it, because he was talking about it, and I'm like, I probably don't got that shit. And I ended up having it, and I did that, and I dropped the voltage curve, and temps was better. I think I'm at 4300 megahertz. That's cool for now. I'm gonna go back in and see if I can push it some more. This has been a long journey, bro. This is my baby right here. And you know, when you get your first PC, when you build it yourself, you just be all in love with it. But yeah, we making it right now. So this has been an amazing journey, bro. Hopefully y'all continue to take this journey with me. Hopefully y'all enjoying this journey. But we gonna keep pushing, man. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, man. I need y'all to subscribe. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down, you know. But yeah, bro, this has been your boy BCP Entertainment. I'm gone.